Okay, let's go on to the next one. N is a 5-digit number formed by using the digits 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 without repetition. Find out how many values are possible for n given that this is divisible by 4. Okay. Now, guys, it is given that n should be a 5-digit number which is divisible by 4. Okay. Any number divisible by 4, okay, will contain the last two digits divisible by 4, right? So, ये 5-digit number जो होगा, guys, we have to ensure that the last two digits are divisible by 4. Okay. So, of the given digits 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, how will I ensure that the number gets divisible by 4? Okay, if the last two digits are divisible by 4, right? तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We'll take cases now. First cases, सबसे छोटा कौन सा होगा? Last two digits 48, right? 4 and 8. Okay, 48 divisible by 4 से बिल्कुल है. Next, you can take 56 जो कि divisible है 4 से बिल्कुल है. Okay, can you take 64? Yes, ये भी divisible है 4 से. Can you take 68? हाँ, ये भी divisible है 17 4 जा. 76? Yes, 19 4 जा. 84? Yes, 21 4 जा. 96, 24 4 जा, right? So all these last two digits ensure that the number is divisible by 4, right? अब हमें क्या करना है? हमें remaining digits, guys, यहाँ पे place करने हैं, right? So we'll take one example. In this first set of digits, we have taken 48 in the last two places, okay? The remaining digits are 5, then 6, 7, and 9, right? अब यहाँ 10,000 place में, guys, चारों में से कोई भी एक नंबर आ सकता है. So there are four ways to put the 10,000th digit. Okay, अब हमने लास्ट में 4 8 प्लेस कर दिया है और यहाँ 5 6 7 9 में से एक डिजिट और प्लेस कर दिया, राइट? सो ऑफ द अवेलेबल 6 digits you have only 3 available right now. So in the 1000 place you can place 3 digits, and in the hundreds place by default only 2 digits बचेंगे, right? So number of ways of selecting these three or arranging these three digits is 4 into 3 into 2, right? Okay, that many number of ways you can have to arrange these three digits, right? Okay, ये same number of ways, guys, बाकी सबके लिए हो जाएगा, right? 4 3 2 जितना 24 आया है, ये सारे 24 वेज बाकी सबके लिए भी एप्लीकेबल होंगे, राइट? यहाँ पे 5 और 6 प्लेस कर दिया आपने, तो बचे डिजिट्स कौन से हैं? 4 है, 7 है, 8 है और 9 है, राइट? ओके, सो 4 वेज. ओके, बाकी फिर 3 और फिर 2, राइट? सेम थिंग कंटिन्यूज फॉर ऑल द अदर केसेस आल्सो, राइट? सो 24 possibilities exist for 7 particular arrangements. So number of values that n can take is 24 times 7, 168. Okay, that's a very simple question. Okay, only thing is कि अगर आपको ये एक बार फंडा समझ में आ जाए, okay, only calculation you need to do is 24 times 7, that's all. Okay, now guys, बहुत बार लोग पूछते हैं कि if n is a 5-digit number formed by using the digits with repetition. Okay, with repetition means you can use the digits more than once. Okay, तो guys ये वाले सारे cases तो बनेंगे ही बनेंगे, right? Last two digits definitely will be divisible by 4, तो ये 7 केस तो बनेंगे ही बनेंगे, right? But guys, for the last two places I will have two more cases. Okay, कौन से? एक तो 44 और दूसरा हो जाएगा 88, right? Okay, so now for the last two places I have 7 plus these two, exactly 9 possibilities, right? And for these three digits you don't have 4 into 3 into 2 cases, you have 6 into 6 into 6, right? Digits can repeat with repetition बोला है ना, तो any number of times the digits can repeat, right? So 6 into 6 into 6, तो यहाँ मिलेगा आपको 44 और 21 minus 2 will be 19, 1944, or you can multiply also. 9 6 are 54, the 9 1s are 9 14, 9 2s are 18 19. Okay, so if repetitions are allowed, this is the required answer. Okay, okay guys, so I hope you understood this. Let's go on to the next part. There are 17 teams which play a round robin tournament. Every team faces every other team exactly once. Find the number of matches that were played. Okay, again it's the handshake problem का typical example. 17 teams, okay, which play a round robin tournament. Round robin exactly ये होता है, guys. Every team faces every other team exactly once. Okay, so it is like 17 people. They're shaking hands with each other. How many handshakes will take place? 17 C2. The answer is 17 into 16 divided by 2. 17 8s are 136 is the required answer. Okay, guys, so let's go on to the next question. 17 children are sitting in a circle and every child shakes hands with every other child except his neighbors. Find the number of handshakes. Okay. Now, let's first make them seated across circle. Okay, I've shown here A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 up till A17, right? अब guys, A1 जो होगा, A1 will shake hand with 14 people. How? A1 खुद से handshake तो बिल्कुल नहीं करने वाला, and he won't be shaking hand with his neighbors, right? Isn't it? So A1 will be shaking hand with 14 people, right? Same, A2 will be also shaking hands with 14 people. Okay, A2 won't shake hands with A1 and A3. So A4 से लेके A17 तक 14 people रहेंगे, इनसे handshake करेगा A2. Same way A3 and then up till A14, A17, sorry, every child shakes hands with 14 people, right? So 17 children, okay, each shaking hands how many times? 14 times. The answer is 14 into 17. But again, every handshake has been counted twice, right? A1 का handshake आपने count किया है A16 के साथ, A16 का भी handshake आपने count किया है A1 के साथ, right? So every handshake has been counted twice. divide this with 2, the answer is 17 times 7, 119. Okay. Notice that our standard handshake formula will not apply here. Why? There are two constraints. First, circle में place किया आपने हर एक को, that will change things. And second, the people are not shaking hands with their neighbors. Okay, that is what changes things here. Okay. So with that, we go on to the next question of the lot, and that is find a number of ways of arranging 8 distinct gemstones into a straight chain. Very simple. Okay, eight of distinct objects to be arranged in 8 places, 8 p8, 8 factorial. That's not the answer. Okay, understand, guys. Just like the necklaces. Okay, यहाँ समझाना काफी easy हो जाएगा मेरे लिए. If I suppose have a straight chain formed by 8 gemstones. Okay, जैसे मैंने एक arrangement ये मान लिया. Okay, black, purple, blue, red, orange, yellow, blue and green. इसको अगर मैंने उल्टा कर दिया तो आई विल गेट अ डिफरेंट अरेंजमेंट, राइट? ग्रीन, ब्लू, ऑरेंज येलो, ऑरेंज रेड, ब्लू, डार्क ब्लू, पर्पल एंड देन ब्लैक, राइट? इट्स अ डिफरेंट अरेंजमेंट, राइट? सो बेसिकली एक ही बार अरेंज करके हमें 2 केस मिल जा रहे हैं, राइट? सो एवरी केस हैज बीन काउंटेड ट्वाइस. सो हम क्या करेंगे गाइस, 8 फैक्टर को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे एंड दैट इज द फाइनल आंसर इन दिस केस. ओके, ये क्वेश्चन कैट में बहुत साल पहले आ चुका था. आई डोंट नो व्हिच ईयर एक्चुअली, बट दैट्स द आंसर. 8 फैक्टोरियल डिवाइड बाय. Okay, guys, so that's where we'll stop. We'll continue in the next class. We'll see more applications of PNC. So, see you next time.